Okay, so this time we're going to finally start talking about some of the sounds in English. We're going to start with the easiest ones because I want us to focus on basically all of the tools that we use, the movements, not moving, and the voiced and unvoiced sounds. So, first group, we call them bilabials. Bilabial means two lips. So, very easy. These all exist in Japanese. B, p, m. Basically B, P, and M sounds. First one, let's talk about P first, because that one's just nice and simple. You put some air pressure in your mouth, P, P, and you let it release. If there's no air pressure, you're just no sound. You need that air to come out, P, like that. Very simple sound. That's it. That is obviously unvoiced. You're using the air, and you need to move with that. If you don't move, there's no sound. When you finish a word, for example, stop, you have two choices with the P at the end. You can do a small P, P, with just opening your mouth a little bit, or you can just keep your mouth closed. Stop. And just stop there. And that's, for native speakers, we do both, basically, depending on how the sentence is flowing, or just depending on the person, honestly. Next sound, B, B, B. Same exact movement, same exact tools as the P sound, but this time we're going to use the voice. You activate the voice just before you open your lips, B, 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 like that. When you finish the sound, it's the same thing as the P. You can do a small opening, B, 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 or you can just close your mouth. So, Bob, Bob, or Bob, Bob. Both are okay. Now, the next one, M sound. This one is not a movement sound. This one you can close your lips and just keep them closed, like that. So if you're starting a word, of course you have to open your mouth before you close it. But for example, mom, mom, mom. With this one, you're probably never going to do an open mom. You just say mom. At least that's how it works for most people. The difference between the B and the M, because they're both the same tools, they're both voiced sounds, but the difference here is with the M, the air comes out of your nose. So if I do an when you stop the air, the sound has to stop. It has to be able to escape. That's the difference between M and B. So when you finish with a Bob, Bob, like that, the air doesn't come out of my nose. It sounds like a B. When I say bomb, bomb, like an explosion, the air continues to come out, bomb, and the sound continues a little bit longer. That's how we can tell the difference between finishing with a B and finishing with an M. So make sure you understand that so you get it right every time. Okay, so these ones were very simple. Next video, we're going to come back. We're going to do some different sounds using some different tools. Then we can really start to compare them and really start making progress with our awareness and start building good habits. All right, that's it for now.